Alright, so welcome back. So we're gonna do this hand next. Same thing again. Just gonna do this one by one. Let's do rotate X first. For the most part, rotate X, I don't think needs much tweaking. Let's look at rotate Y. Perhaps this one needs a bit of tweaking. It seems okay to me. And same goes for rotate Z. I won't be tweaking this very much. It's pretty same as the other hand, like what we did earlier. So let's focus this one by one as well. Just want to have a quick skim through over here. Maybe I'll change this quite a bit. Just move some of these guys around just to make sure that they're a bit more consistent than for what we have. Alright. Let's go to Z over here as well. Same thing. Just want to make it a bit more consistent. Alright, so the main one is actually these guys over here. Again, let's get our post infinity cycle up and do this one by one. So here we have our X, right? And this guy should be the same as these guys over here. So let me just copy this. Just want to make sure that they're all the same and paste this over here. Alright, and let's try to break this tangent over here and try to make this a bit more interesting. Break this tangent as well and rise it up a bit. Alright, let's have a look at rotate Y. I want to make some adjustments to these guys over here. Break this tangent. Right. I'm looking over here to see it a bit better. As you can see, there's a bit of a dip somewhere around here, which is this guy over here. So let's try to fix that. Okay, and this guy looks a bit flat, so I'm gonna try to fix this as well. Probably a good idea for me to look over here to see what's happening. Me break this tangent well, and I will be paying attention to this part over here to see, this part over here to see what's happening, so that I can make informed decisions on how I should move this about. For this, I'll probably look over here. Oops. Yeah, I'm not gonna play too much about that. Just something like that would do for me. Okay, so we can play this back, and now you can see that both has this a bit more animated look towards it. Right. So let's go ahead and tackle the legs next. Right, so here I'll look at, there's actually very small changes between the translation over here. As you can see, very little number. So I'm just going to focus more on the rotation. So let's start with rotate X on the right leg first. So again, I want to have my post infinity cycles up. Right. So as you can see over here, some things are a bit inconsistent to me, where things get up and down pretty fast, so it's not exactly a smooth animation. So let's try to go and fix that, and maybe just break this tension over here first, and then we'll try to see if we can push some of this up a bit. Right, and perhaps this guy over here, let's make it a bit more smooth there. Okay, what about this one? Let's see if I can use this instead. So this is to kind of make it like a flat line, and I'll have a look over here to see how my adjustments are reacting. So perhaps I'll just go ahead and break this and push this down a bit and push this a bit higher. Right, it looks a bit more consistent. Let's go to rotate Y next. There's not much on this, so I'm just going to leave this alone, and Z is pretty much the same, so that's okay for now. Let me look at my... Okay, I don't have any animation over here. Let's do the same for this guy as well. So the main one is actually on our rotate X. Let's get the cycle out. And same thing again, we want to make it a bit more smoother. I'm going to break this, and I'm going to bring this line up a bit. So as you can see here, I'm trying to make this more smoother. If you look very closely, it comes as if it dips down a bit over here. So I just want to make sure that everything flows properly. There's something over here as well. We can kind of push it up a bit just to make sure it looks a bit more consistent throughout. Yep, something like that would work for me. Okay, so let's play this back. Alright, so let me just play this without my curves, and we can see a working walk cycle. Alright, so that's that for our walk cycle. In the next part, we're going to do a run cycle. I'm going to use the similar concepts that we have learned in the walk cycle and apply a run cycle to this character.